Good morning, everyone. Today we are in Costa, Mexico. And look, we all look so cute in our shirts. I like your shirt. I like your shirt.
I like your shirt.
I like your shirt. I like your shirt.
I don't like your shirt.
I like your shirt.
I like mine too.
I like your shirt. I like your shirt.
I like your shirt.
And all the parents are supposed to be wearing it too. But some people want to be rebels and not wear them. I should be a rebel. Cough, cough, your parents.
They're changing right now.
Yeah. So we were at breakfast and then we had like a little origami napkin folding competition. You had your candle. What is that? Is that a croissant?
Yes.
Is that legit something, or y'all just folded one?
It's a croissant.
It's a candy wrapper.
A whole candy wrapper.
He has this cream.
First off, it's a block.
Same.
It's a napkin.
We're in Costa, Mexico.
Yeah, hold
Gang. So pretty here, but honestly, I know it's really bad, but I'm just looking for Wi-Fi. My life. I'm sorry, guys. Like it's hard getting. It's hard. Like I'm not even gonna lie about it. Like it's hard being disconnected from your phone for so long. It's hard. Okay. I'm not even gonna lie about it. So we found a deal. We're going to the beach. So I guess we're not going to the beach tomorrow. And there's.
We don't judge.
But yeah, so we're going to beach today and we're on a charter bus. A Mercedes charter bus to the beach. How much more fancier can this get? I don't know. Let's party! Party bus! Low-key, we're kind of lame.
This looks really nice.
Yo, Ashley, can we go on that thing to take pictures?
I'm so sad because this whole beach trip was like very like last minute. Like we literally just bought our tickets like on the island, so I didn't get to bring my GoPro. So sad. Someone đi nằm trong cái hut đi. Hả? Someone. Hi, Donnie.
Ashley.
How was your soccer?
I'm very exhausted.
You're sunburned.
I am?
Yeah,
Where?
you're very red.
Face? Or recoat?
Look!
Okay.
You guys,
Your school
we're
next
trying to kayak right now, and it's
close?
freaking raining. It's sprinkling. Oh, I should probably put this camera away. Like I was just trying to vlog something for y'all, but okay, y'all gotta go. It's raining, and I don't want to like ruin y'all because y'all are expensive.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath and let it go. Let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over to cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you.
So right now we're burying Cindy because you know tradition. Like every year we go on the beach, we bury someone. So this year it's Cindy. So this place is so bipolar like Houston. It was really like gloomy and it was raining, and all of a sudden like the sun came out and it's nice and bright and hot. By the way, this is Kathleen. Say hi. She's our new friend on the boat. Yes, we made friends. A friend. A friend. One friend.
I won't let go. I won't let go.
Actually, how long is it going to take for you to upload this one?
Very long.
Like a week. I still have to upload my A&M one.
Still haven't done that?
She's not done. She's still editing.
After the A&M one.
So this is going to be extra late.
Yeah.
No, it's gonna just come up 2 weeks late.
You just said 1 week, now it's 2 weeks.
Yeah, you said 1 week.
Next week.
breaking.
It's gonna be like a month.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be a month.
No, next week. It's gonna be up next week.
Next week. Are you sure?
This upcoming week is A&M vlog, and the next week after that is food vlog. For sure. Bug! There's a bug! Get the bug out of me!
Kill the bug.
The bug?
Ah! Oi! Okay. To the left. It's probably better.
I'm gonna have a tan night with your arm,
Getting a
babe.
Okay guys,
And
here's the
Vivi's
eyebrows.
We done?
Does it look like me? We're back to shore, but it's thundering now. But we're trying to get some tacos, like in New Mexico, to get some authentic tacos. Hi, Thai. You tired? Not yet? Yeah, but it's raining. Like it was sunny earlier and it's thunderstorming now. It's a great vacation. Right now we're trying out a Mexican taco. We got the pastor one. It looks really good though. Like I'm excited to try it out because all I've been eating is Portuguese and Taco Bell, so some authentic tacos. Guys, so it's currently 3:34 and I just have Vivi and Thea. We're all sitting here because this is the best spot for our LTE to be working. I'm not gonna lie, we're literally sitting here for the fastest internet. Nobody's there. The smell of your perfume still stuck in the air. But yeah, it's because we have international data, and this is like the best place for us to get the LTE, which makes no sense because whenever we're on land, we tend to get no service most of the time. But we have LTE here, so we're just trying to take advantage and try to catch up with people, even though they're super slow, but it's still something. So we're doing right now. Order came out. Turns out he ordered 2 plates. 2 plates.
I like chips.
2 plates?
Yes. 2 plates. Chơi game nên tùy theo mình nói lớn bao nhiêu thì nó nhảy cao bao xa. You don't.
I give up. Your game's stupid. She's so focused on trying to make a sound.
Thank you. So weird, but it's so soft.
You finally got it.
I don't know.
Oh, you're right. It's still very loud.
Can y'all hear it?
Finger hurts. Do your left finger.
Cindy finally got it and she made me record her.
I did like 10 million tries.
Oh, let's hear it because it's kind of low.
I think your camera's gonna pick that up.
First he got 2 starters, now he got 2 sets of desserts. What is this? He's such a fatty. He calls it buy one get one free. Nicola came in clutch with the rose.
And a candle, make it romantic.
Oh, 2 candles.
All for Cindy. He did this for you.